Hello everyone, it's me, Tessa. So today we're going to go through Canva. But first we'll have to search for Canva at Google. There. Yeah, but in this case, my account is opened already, so we'll use my account. Now, I've made a lot of designs already, but we'll try to make a new one. So here you can create your own design, and also this here over here you can also share it with friends or create a team, and you can also find templates, ready-made templates. If you click this, so like this one, this is my. You can make folders also. So this is my folder. There are also blogs, tutorials for making designs. Also, you can upgrade your account so that you could do more. But if you're a beginner, you could use the free one. Okay, you could also customize your dimensions if you want to for your blogs or headers. So you can change your dimensions here. So we're not going to do that because there are already a lot of templates here, and today we're going to try to make a graphic design for a Instagram post. I'm just gonna have to wait a little. There. Okay, so here you can see there are already ready-made designs, templates. There, so you could a lot of them to choose from. So these are the layouts. Here are the elements, like you can have see free photos, or they're free. There are a lot of free photos to choose from. And text, here you can, there are also templates for texts if you like, for example, yeah, here, we're having a baby girl, like for invitations, or like here, templates, a lot of them for certificates. There. Also, you can choose to make your own background. So there are a lot of designs also here, free designs. So if you upgrade your account, you could have a lot more designs. There are also designs that you can purchase here. There are prices already at the bottom right part. Also, you can upload pictures from your computer, and like here, these were the pictures I uploaded when I was working on something. So there. For now, we're going to start making an invitation for I like to make an invitation for a graduation. Okay, so we can search for an image for graduation. Here, so like this, for example, these are the free pictures and well, the others are for sale already. So but since we're going to just make a just for an Instagram post, we're just going to use the free ones, so it won't be it won't be too expensive for you, since I know most of you who are watching are still beginners. So let's do the free ones. Let's use the free ones. So like we can use this. Anyway, if you don't like what you chose, you can always delete it and choose another one. There. Oh, this is good. So you can resize. Good. Okay, so we're going to use this, and we can adjust it like that. So we can put our text. We got our image. Now we're going to just put our text. Good. Choose from a lot of texts over here, templates. So here it's party time. There are a lot of them, a lot of templates here. So you just choose which one you like, and you can edit it anyway. So I'd like to use a little like a big one. So here, it's a birthday party template, but I like to use this. You can drag and drop. I got double. Here, so just gonna put it in the center of the image, and you can resize it. There. So here I'm going to put, since this is a graduation invitation post, I'm going to put digital marketing rock stars are going to graduate. It's a little too big for the image, so I'm just gonna adjust it again. And there are texts here, see, but since the text color is a little similar with the background color, so you can see it, so you're just going to use the white one. So and you are all tighten. So we can make it bigger. It's a little smaller. And put it at the center. There. So I'm just gonna make it a little more bigger there. And I also want to change the text color here, so you just highlight it and then there. A lot of color choices will come out. So we'll try red and see what happens. If it looks nice or not. It doesn't. Okay, so let's try to use yellow. And there. You could also combine the colors like rock stars over here. So let's try to make it red. I like red. Okay, here. So you can just or maybe you can put this at the side. We can also make this a little adjust its transparency from this button. So just click the button and then see. So you can still see the background. There. Okay. So I'm going to add the venue and the date and time. So I'm gonna here go to text again, and since you can see it well, you can change colors again. So here I'm going to write the venue. So Valentine stories. And the time, 2 o'clock. Again, you could adjust the size. It's too big. I'll move it. There. I think I want to change this size of it. There. Oop. There. Okay. So that's it. It automatically saves. So there, it's already saved. And you can also download it. Here. Just wait a little. And voila! So it's downloaded, and you can see it in your downloads folder. So that's it. Thank you very much for